Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel The Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'll show you how to make 6 different amazing and refreshing mocktails using different flavors of Hitkary Sharbat. Let's get started. The first mocktail is Virgin Masala Margarita. Let's first prepare the glass, so for that rub a lemon on the rim of your glass. Then coat the rim with some powdered sugar, or alternatively you can use some salt, black salt or chaat masala. Then take 2 tablespoons Hitkary orange Fenzy. Add it to a container. I'm using a glass one for you guys to see. Then 2 tablespoons Hitkary masala lemon. So these two are fun flavors and would make amazing margarita. Now add 1/4 cup water and give it a good mix. I'm using less water because I'm adding 3/4 cup ice cubes. Give it a good stir. And then pour in your glass. If you have a margarita glass like mine, then you can use that for this recipe. Garnish with a slice of lemon. The next mocktail is Mango Mule. Take a mortar and a pestle and add 3 to 4 tablespoons chopped cucumber, that is kheera. Now add half medium sized lemon juice. And you need to crush this. Add the mixture of cucumber and lemon juice to a container. You can use a patila or any kind of bowl, any kind of utensil. Then take 1/4 cup Hitkary amazing mango. Hitkary sharbats are present in your nearby grocery stores and on Big Basket. Now add 1 teaspoon honey, 3/4 cup water. Give this a good mix. Then take around 5 to 6 ice cubes in a glass and then strain the mocktail directly into the glass. Garnish with a slice of cucumber and some mint leaves. Wow, all these mocktails are so amazing and refreshing. The third mocktail is KHATTA Mojito. So first in a mortar and pestle take around 10 to 12 mint leaves. So gently crush the mint leaves. We don't want to make a chutney or a paste of the mint leaves. We just need to bring out the flavor. Add it to your glass and add around 6 to 7 ice cubes. Then take 3 tablespoons of Hitkary Kala Khatta Fun. Hitkary Kala Khatta Fun is tangy and so tasty it would bring back your childhood memories. Add it to your glass. Then add 1 cup plain soda. Do not add all the soda in one go. First add a little and then gently stir. After a gentle stir, pour the remaining soda. Finally garnish with some mint leaves. And there you go, KHATTA Mojito is ready. The next mocktail is Virgin Pina Colada. Add 3/4 cup ice cubes to your mixer grinder jar. Then take 1/4 cup Hitkary Miracle Pineapple Sharbat. Add to your mixer grinder jar. Then add juice from half small sized lemon. Then add 200 ml coconut milk. You can use tinned, canned or the ones which come in Tetra Pak, or you can extract fresh coconut milk at home and use that. Blend this for 1 to 2 minutes and then pour into your choice of or your favorite glass. If you have some fresh pineapple, you can garnish this with some fresh pineapple or cherry. Next is Shahi Paan Lemonade. For this recipe we need 1/4 cup, that is 60 ml Hitkary Shahi Sharbat Paan. This Sharbat has Paan and rose as the key ingredients and along with the goodness of many other natural ingredients. Now add 3/4 cup water, half medium sized lemon juice. Give this a good stir. Now add half cup ice cubes. So I'm using medium sized cubes here. So combination of medium and mini ice cubes. Pour it in your favorite glass. Decorate with a slice of lemon and a sprig of Pudina or mint leaves. The last one is panna kuluki sharbat. Here I am using Hitkary panna, so you need 1/4 cup, that is 60 ml of Hitkary panna. Put this in any container. I am using a transparent one so that you can see. Then add 3/4 cup water and 1 green chili. As you can see, it has got a slit in middle. Give this a good stir. Alternatively, you can use a shaker. Now add 1 cup ice cubes. The water which I have used was at room temperature. Ice cubes will make it really cool and refreshing. This panna has got all the flavors, so you don't need to add a lot of extra things. Now pour it in your favorite glass. I hope you like these recipes and the amazing range of sharbats from Hitkary. Give these recipes a try and enjoy.